This is Mama Miche, and today in the Magic Kitchen, Chowdah, aka New England clam chowder. This installment of our fall soup series is New England clam chowder. Warning, it's addictive. As a mom and home cook, I prefer Whole Foods, not the store, though I've been known to drop the whole paycheck in Whole Foods. What I mean is, I prefer to not get my meals out of a can or freezer bag, but there must be exceptions to every rule, and this recipe is it. Not one fresh ingredient to be found. The only tools needed are large double boiler, can opener, and large spoon to stir. This is my mother-in-law's recipe, and it's beyond quick and easy. You open cans, you mix up everything in the pot you cook in. It literally gets no easier or quicker than this recipe. The only change I made is adding our twice stolen spice instead of oregano alone. It makes it so much better, and it was already really good. Did you know the word chowder comes from a combination of the French word chaudière, meaning cauldron, and the English word chowder, referring to a fishmonger. The rule for creating a classic New England clam chowder is to keep it simple. I don't make the rules. Forgive me for saying this as a New Yorker, it pains me, but I prefer New England to Manhattan when it comes to chowder. Get your can openers ready for a workout and let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic. Chowder.
That's good. Let's eat.
Let's eat.